Will the OPEC production cuts cause a significant price raise for U.S. crude in the near term?
Yeah, another interesting question because OPEC is possibly becoming a little bit less important in the world oil pricing world. So the US now is almost a net exporter of oil, and a lot of the shale fracking that they're doing has made them fairly independent in terms of what their oil needs are. So really the supply and demand equation has been tilted, with the US adding significantly to supply. And then, like we just talked about, the global demand and global trade is starting to downtick, and so the demand is coming down at the same time as US supply is coming up. It leaves OPEC in a less powerful position, but also leaves a lot of questions to whether OPEC can control the prices going forward.
What prices are oil producers in the U.S. hedge at, and how would they react to higher or lower prices?
Yeah, I think $70 is the number that a lot of people talk about. It's around about where the cost of production for a lot of the shale oil is. So once you get oil prices above $70, you'll get people coming in and producing more oil and doing more shale fracking. Below $70, if it's expected to be for a short term, the producers have a huge fixed cost to sort of wear, so they won't just shut the shale fracking down and mothball it. That's expensive. They'll run at a loss for a little while, but if it goes a long way below $70 and it stays there, then the US production levels will probably come down, and I think that's really the drivers of oil, is around the $70 level.
In the absence of significant buying, gold is coming off, said Taiwan head of metal derivatives trading at BMO. Do you hold the same opinion as he does?
Yeah, gold's an interesting one. I mean, it's typically a safe haven asset, and with all the volatility that we've seen, you would expect gold to be going up. It is going up. It's off its lows from 4 weeks ago, and it's off its August lows as well. But it's not up strongly. So considering equities are down quite a lot around the world, bonds are down in most parts of the world, and even commodities have had a sell-off, it's a little surprising that gold as a safe haven asset hasn't been bought more. It's probably a little bit of an underreaction from gold, and potentially an overreaction from equities, given how strong the data still is in the equity market.